Hello everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lexi and today I am leaving for my senior year of college at High Point University, and I got my High Point Pure Barre shirt on right now in spirit of that, and we have a 12-hour car ride ahead of us, believe it or not. So I wanted to kind of record this whole morning, but since it's a long day and of course I was not fully prepared to leave, I was not able to do that, but that's okay because we are ready now and going down the road. So here's just like my last minute things in my car. My mom's car is completely packed with the rest of my stuff. And remember, I have a storage unit at my school, but yeah, a little excessive. It's fine, it's really fine. We will make it happen, and yeah, it'll be fine. It'll really be fine. And I'm excited to get there because honestly, I'm shocked that so many people are like already there. So, I mean, a little crazy, but I'm trying to come up with the words. All I'm gonna say at this moment, because I'm going to get upset, is college goes by so fast and I can literally not believe I'm a senior. And it's like hard to leave home to begin with just because I love my family, but it's so hard to go into school knowing that it's my last year ever. So I'm just gonna stop myself there before I get like all freaking crazy on you guys. But that is what's going on right now. And yeah, so just remember, the 4 years of college will go by so much faster than the 4 years of high school, and there is no way to prepare for that. And I can't say I took anything for granted because I definitely made the most of my college experience in the past 3 years, but I still want to say just make every moment the best moment ever this year, whether it's your first, second, third, fourth, whatever it is, because it will end so fast and you will never get these moments or memories back. So without further ado, let's get into this back to school vlog. We are out of here, starting this long drive at 7:11 a.m.
It's gonna be the best year.
My mom missed my emotional series, and there we go.
I already had my emotional series.
See you later, house. It was a good run. My dad's ahead of us in my car, which I could totally drive, but
I'm not gonna lose these 10 hours.
yeah, we have a good time. So we're gonna get to having that. And maybe we'll give you updates along the road. Maybe we'll just let you see when we get there. I'm not really sure, but stay tuned for more fun. Okay, so we are, what, halfway?
A little more than halfway.
We are a little more than halfway, and we stopped for lunch at Chipotle, which is my fave. But I thought, you know, before we get started on our lovely lunch, my parents could say what they're gonna miss most about me.
Oh my god. I'm gonna miss that we spent every single second together and found fun stuff to do every day. So I'm not gonna get emotional, I'm just gonna say that.
And Dad, what will you miss most about me?
I'm gonna miss your smiling face every time I come home from work and your bubbly personality.
I like that. I can deal with that. And hopefully next time you see us will be in High Point. We're like here. Can't believe it. I really can't. This is so crazy. But I'm excited. I'm really excited. We made it to my beautiful house, 881, also known as Club 881. And here's just a little sneak peek because I'm going to do a full house tour once it is all like cute and decorated. So just so you can like kind of see the layout before that happens. And my room is on the 3rd floor of this house, so I have to go up 2 staircases, which is fine because I absolutely love my room. So I can't believe I'm here, and here we go. And again, just a little preview of my room because I really want to show it to you all when I have it all decorated. I'm so excited to get started. Just got done bringing my things in, and I am soaking wet because it is pouring outside. But you know, we're doing it. With a smile, we're doing it. This process is honestly flying. And I was going to like get all dressed up to make this move-in vlog, and here we are. So there is that. It happened, but my stuff is halfway up the stairs, and I'm literally dying. It's fine. We're gonna keep moving and make it happen, man. Make it happen.
so we're still going. We got our friendly little palm tree. Love that. Lexi's losing it a little bit. Work in progress, still going. Okay, so we got on the road at 7 o'clock this morning. It is now 1:30 a.m. and we're still in her room, but she's had it. But it's coming so cute. And by tomorrow, we'll be further along. We're starting to hang things on the wall. We're starting to get things going. Some stuff's out. We'll see. It's still kind of a work in progress. Till tomorrow, right, Lex? Bye, everybody.
Tomorrow.
Bye.
Senior year, baby! That was me freshman year. The U-Haul. Just a tip to like the Ys, don't do that. So over here they have bands set up for freshman move-in, which is a tradition here at High Point. Because every year they have music playing and the upperclassmen work as move-in crew to get the freshmen into their dorms because we don't like them to have to carry anything. So now we're walking back from the front of campus because we went to take a picture, and I just wanted to show you how beautiful my campus is, and we're heading back to continue moving me in. What are you doing, Sean?
You know, just doing big boy work.
Way to go, Sean.
Screw that handle.
Ah! Oh, sorry.
You good?
Good job, Sean.
I'll do it.
If it falls down at night, your problem.
So that is it for my college move-in vlog for my senior year at High Point University, which is the most beautiful school ever, and this is actually your sneak peek at my new and improved dorm room, and I will be showing you the entire thing in a room tour this upcoming Sunday, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that. But that is all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.